Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to have so much fun drawing and coloring some beautiful flowers. It's super easy, even if you've never drawn before. So, grab your paper, a pencil, an eraser, and your favorite colors, and let's get started. Thank you so much for drawing with us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with what you'd like to draw next, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun art lessons. See you next time, happy drawing!